We all know how AI has improved the software development cycle, but nobody's talking about the problems it has got. Uh, so, in this video, I'll be talking about what I think is happening right now, which is a problem because of AI. Uh, so, when you have idea in your mind which you want to, convert into an application, web application, mobile application, or any sort of software, and you want to launch it in public, you want to get real feedback from the actual users. So essentially there are two parts to it, right? You develop the software and then you launch it in public to get their feedback. With the help of AI, the first thing, the development has of course become easier now. So you can create low level to medium level softwares with the help of AI tools, low code, no code AI tools in like couple of hours, which used to take months before. So of course that has become easier. Now that has become easier, but getting into public, reaching out to more and more people is still a challenge, I think, right? Although AI and automation and all those things have, of course, uh, have done a lot of work in marketing and social media management, all those things, but still it's not that much perfect, and it will still require time and effort and and money. So here's the problem, what I think is happening right now. So people are getting idea, they are creating applications, right, which is like taking 2 or 3 hours or maybe maximum 5 6 hours, right? A small to medium size of application, I mean, they are creating the application, they are launching it in public, meaning they are promoting it on social media, they're promoting it on different kind of communities, and as expected they are not seeing much of a traffic or engagement or user feedback from there, which of course is kind of demotivating them, right? And then essentially what happens, they drop the idea, and they'll pick up another idea which they already have. They have a long backlog, I assume, in their mind. So they'll pick another idea and they'll start working on that idea. They'll do the same thing there. They'll create the application in like 5 6 hours, they'll launch again, they'll see no traffic, no engagement, drop again, move to the third one. So this will keep on going in loop. Okay, it's a kind of a dead end, so you are going in loop. So this is the problem which is happening right now, I think, and this will be happening uh, for the next couple of years, I would assume, with this AI. So why why this is happening? Because we are losing patience. Okay, people have gone really impatient now. We can't stand and stick on one single idea. We can't stick to one thing because we know we can drop it and then we can move to another thing pretty quickly, right? So this is the problem which is happening right now. So what's the solution? Same thing, stick to one thing. Okay, don't don't be diverted, confused. So pick up 2 or 3 things which you are really passionate about, and forget about the other things that that are coming in your mind, or maybe you are seeing somewhere people are suggesting you. Just forget about that. Okay, pick 2 or 3 things which you think are really important for you, which you are really passionate about, and then you can work on them and stick to it uh, to a point. I'm not saying you should be sticking it like for next 10 years. So to a point where you can understand whether it's actually working or not.